My video is about removing the ransomware called SDK. This SDK is the ransomware that belongs to the Phobos ransomware family. Of course, my video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, we are able to open our files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this SDK ransomware, the member of the Phobos ransomware family, may be pretty easily injected into the computer. By the way, very often it's possible to see this malicious process of this ransomware in the task manager. And if you see any suspicious processes like that, which long and random name, it's a good idea that you terminate them ahead of time, and this may help you prevent further file encryption. But very often it's too late and the ransomware does its malicious job. It appends this SDK extension and it changes the desktop background and it drops this ransom note, indicating that all your files have been encrypted. Of course, you should not listen to what this ransomware says. It tells you to pay the ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom isn't a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. Don't pay it. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is surely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So then, after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of all the threats which were found on the computer. Some threats can be removed manually, but we do recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution for always protecting your data.